Hi besties. So we're here with another cleaning video. I really don't have anything to say about this cleaning video. You read the title, you know. Yeah, honestly, I also think this is the worst my room has ever been since the cleaning videos. Like, looking back, I don't think there is a single cleaning video that is this bad. Like, this is bad. Yeah, and I'm gonna show it to you. So, I don't really want to clean this room up because it is a lot of effort, a lot of work, and there is so much crap that I need to get done. But I'm literally in the process right now of editing a video called How to Have a Go Winter, which is literally to help my mental health, and my room looks like this, and that's not gonna help anything, so I gotta clean it. I'm definitely gonna get yelled at because I just filled up my whole entire washing basket of literally a week's load of washing. Like, it's not like underwear or anything because I shower every morning, so it's mainly like all of my work clothes just in here, just, you know, casually in there. And Mum was probably definitely already come to look in the washing basket and take everything out, so I'm definitely gonna get in trouble for that. Yay. Okay, besties. So I filmed my first section of cleaning this room 2 weeks ago, but now I've got to clean it. Like, I have to clean this room. Riley's coming to stay tonight, so I have to clean it. I don't have a choice. Another day, another clean. I have no idea when I did my last 2 cleans that are in this video, but I'm doing a 3rd clean. We're gonna get snap, 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 chop, 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 chop to it and try and clean my room up and also edit too. And it is 3:30 right now. So this is just a little overview of what my room looks like right now. She's just interesting. She's a mess. Let's clean. Ta-da! I have a massive pillow. Besties, look at the new bedding. Ah! My bed is not, I gotta buy new sheets so that they're not the dark blue ones. I think I'm gonna get either pink to match like the pink, or I'm gonna get grey sheets because my vibe I want to do is pink and grey. But yeah, it's my cute new little bed setup with that massive pillow. That's bloody amazing. Anyways, I think it's about time we tackle this monstrosity. Not that I want to, but I think I should. This is what I've been putting off for the longest, but it's gonna be done. So I think let's just do it.
5 minutes later.
I can stand over here now, but most of that is from under my bed, but I just want to sort through some of it to then put it back under my bed, and then it'll be heaps cleaner. Woo! So guys, I went to Kmart yesterday after cleaning. Here is what I got. I got the storage container. Inside the storage container is the rest of the things that I got. Got this for my socks, because at the moment the socks are in a Victoria's Secret bag. Victoria's Secret bag is literally destroyed. So I got this for my socks. And I got coat hangers. So that came to a total of $16. So yes.